Okay, so before we start today's video, I want to give a quick shout out to my towel sponsor. Guys, 240 towels, 65 bucks delivered for free. It really helps clean up projects just like this before we get to the main part of the video, which is painting. I'll leave a link in the description of the video so you guys can buy some towels.
Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. We are down in West Virginia. We got my mom's massive behemoth food truck. We're doing some outside painting today. Fun fact, so my real name, legal name is actually Marcello, and the name of the truck is actually Burcello's, so it's named after me and my sister. Pretty cool. I wanted to do this video because I get the question all the time, hey, Marco, can I paint outside? Can I use a small air compressor? I realize not all of you guys have a 9,000 square foot body shop at your reach. So we're just doing a couple small projects today. We got some rims. Now they actually prepped them up. They did an awesome job. Red Scotch pad, Speedokote wheel cleaner. Came out really clean. Very, very clean. You know, nice and clean. No dirt on them, no nothing. Got a front bumper, and then to wrap it up, come around the back, we got the rear bumper and the license plate care. We're just trying to just black everything out. For the paint, because we're blacking everything out, we just went ahead and grabbed the high gloss jet black. I really don't want to turn this into a 3-hour project. 2 coats of this, 10-minute flash each coat, you're done. Let's get suited up. Let's put some paint in the gun. Let's get to shooting. It up, 20-gallon air compressor, paint outside, single stage black, and for only going over them with a scuff pad, not really sanding them really good, and using, you know, 2K primer filler, sanding it out, just scuff padding them and spraying them, they look really decent. Really didn't get that much dust in the paint. Reason being, the Speedokote single stage actually dries up really good, especially if you're spraying it outside. You got all the airflow, especially sunlight helps it dry as well. Aesthetically, I like the way it looks all blacked out. It looks really good. As you guys can see, we got some pretty decent coverage on the bumper. It was really hard getting all the paint in those nooks and crannies. We probably missed a couple, but we got some really decent coverage. Now, I get the question all the time, hey, Marco, should I do one coat of the single stage? Should I do two coats of single stage? It all depends on the finish that you're going for. We were just trying to get everything black. So we did one really thick coat. Because of how hot it was outside, we really didn't get any runs because the paint was almost flashing off as we were spraying it on. So for only one coat of the single stage, I mean, we got a great finish. So that wraps up for this one. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.